Namaste children, how are you all? I think you are all excellent. You are all stay at home, stay at home, safe at home. Please take the precautions of COVID-19. Okay, please sanitize your hands and wear a mask while going outside. I hope you are all completed first chapter. I think you don't have any doubts. If you have any doubt, you can call me, no problem. Clear? Now we will move to the today your second chapter. Lesson number 2, that is Windows 7. So before going to discuss this Windows 7, let us move to I am going to show you a mind mapping. Mind mapping is nothing but what are the main concept in your lesson. Okay, in Windows 7 there are 4 main topics are there. One is Windows desktop, second one is gadgets, third one is Windows accessories, fourth one is Windows games. Now again in these 4 there are subtopics are there. In Windows desktop again 4 subtopics are there. In that, what is Windows desktop, changing desktop background, changing window color, and setting screen saver. These are the main 4 concepts in your Windows desktop subtopics. Okay, now again move to the gadgets. In these gadgets there are 2 subtopics are there. What are gadgets and types of gadgets are there. Now in third one, Windows accessories, you have 4 subtopics are there. In that, the first one is what is Windows accessories, calculator, sticky notes, and as well as fourth one is sound recorder. Now coming to in Windows games, you will be having different types. Windows has a set of interesting games such as chess, solitaire, and free cell. See, these 3 games in every system you can see that. In every system these 3 games will be by default only, it will be appear in that, it will show in the system. To start a game, click on start, go to all programs and then click on the games. Now choose the game you want to play. Whatever you want to play, you please choose the game. And the figure shows the screen of the Minesweeper game. See this here. This is a game. This is one type of game, that is a Minesweeper game. It shows that here. Clear? Now let us move to our content. Now Windows 7. Okay. Now in the other, you know that a computer system consists of hardware and software. Every computer system consists of hardware and software. Okay. Now hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer. Physical components means we can touch. This is a physical component. Our cell phone is one of the physical component. Our textbook is one of the physical component. Clear? So like that, in system also you have there are some examples are there for physical components of hardware, that is monitor, keyboard, and as well as mouse, printer, CPU, scanner. These are all called physical components. That is nothing but hardware. Now coming to the software. Software is a set of programs or commands that controls the working of a computer. Software is a set of programs or commands that controls the working of a computer. Okay. Now in this software is of 2 types. There are 2 types of software are there. One is application software and system software. What is application software? Now application software are programs that are installed and used according to our needs. Whenever we want to need, some examples are there: Paint, Notepad, WordPad. We did not use regularly Paint. Occasionally we can use that. Occasionally means whenever we want, it's need compulsory. So that is nothing but application of software. What is application software? Application software are programs that are installed and used according to our needs. That is nothing but see, Paint, Notepad, and WordPad. System software. Now next one is system software are programs that control and operate the computer hardware. So there is one more software, that is system software. System software are programs that control and operate the computer hardware. An operating system OS, an operating system. OS is nothing but operating system is an example of system software. We are using operating system only. Okay. Now, an operating system works as a bridge between software and hardware. Okay. Now, when we give an instruction through a software, it is passed on to the OS. Suppose by using, we are giving an instruction to the software, to the system, directly whatever we are giving the commands or programs, that will go to the directly OS, operating system. It then uses this instruction and determines how the hardware and software of a computer should be utilized in the best possible way. Whatever we are giving the command, by using that command, it will work. Okay. Now, thus OS manages the working of the hardware and software of a computer. Okay. Operating system, thus operating system manages the working of the hardware and software of a computer. The most commonly used OS is Windows. Maximum 99% of the people are using Windows OS system. Okay. Other than this Windows, you will be having two more are there. Some other examples are Linux and as well as Unix. So these two are also operating system only. Maximum very less people are using Linux and as well as Unix. Okay. Let us study about Windows 7. Now, in Windows 7, first of all, Windows Desktop. Now, when we switch on the computer starts by booting. Booting means, suppose when you on the switcher, immediately, suppose if you want to on the TV, when you switch on the, when you on the switcher, automatically our TV will start. After starting the TV, immediately program will not come. It will take some time. That is nothing but booting. Okay. Here also, if you when we switch on the computer starts by booting. After booting the process is completed, the Windows desktop appears on the monitor screen. Okay. After the booting process is completed, the Windows desktop appears on the monitor screen. A Windows desktop and its parts are shown in figure 2.1. See this here? This is your Windows desktop. Windows desktop. Clear, my dears? When you is on the system, after on the system, switch on the system, it will shows your, this is your monitor. Monitor shows this total figure. Okay. Now in this some different types are there. First one, this is a desktop icons and shortcuts. See, whatever you are seeing, that these are all called icons and as well as shortcuts. Okay. Now second one is the left side bottom corner, you will be having start button. Okay. Whatever I am showing, that see my cursor is moving, this is called taskbar. This is called taskbar. The bottom line you will be having taskbar. Now right side top corner, it shows that some gadgets are there. One is clock, calendar, all these. Now coming to here, system tray. In the right side bottom corner, you will be having system tray, and as well as this is a taskbar. Okay, taskbar icons. These are all called icons. Okay, when we minimize that whatever, suppose we start a program, if you want to minimize that, it will shows on the taskbar. Clear? That is called taskbar icons. Right, my dears? So now let us move to the next page. Okay. Now that is so now Windows, how to change changing desktop background. Changing desktop background. A desktop background or wallpaper is the background picture of Windows desktop. A desktop background is the background picture of Windows desktop. You can choose and set a picture of your choice as a desktop background. So here there are 7 steps are there to change your system background, means desktop picture we need to change. In that first step is right click on the desktop, click on the personalize. See, if you have mouse, you can right click it. If you right click, one dialog box. This is nothing but one dialog box. It will appear on your desktop. So in this you have, here it is personalize. Here it is the bottom one is personalize. You just click on that. After click, immediately one windows will come. That is one dialog box will come. In that, the personalization window open. So click on the desktop background. Here it shows that the first one, this is see, this is a desktop background. Okay. After that, after clicking that, the third one is select picture location. Okay, this is the location. Okay, this windows will show that wherever you want to select the location. See this here. Here it is there. Here my mouse is here. My cursor is moving here. This is a picture location. Okay, you just click on that. You need to select that one. Then automatically fourth one. Click on the background picture from any one of the category. After clicking that, see some pictures will appear on the screen. You just select, click on the background picture from any of the categories. There are different types of categories are there. Okay. Now after that, fifth step is choose picture position. Okay. Wherever you want position means it should be total picture or total monitor will cover or only middle of the picture. Okay. Different types are there. How we will change our what is that, screensaver. Okay. Wallpaper on mobile. Same way here also. Okay. Now sixth step is click on the save changes button. Then seventh one is your desktop background picture is changed to the picture chosen by you. Clear, my dears? So these are the 7 steps to changing a desktop background. Okay. After my class, once you have to write down these 7 steps and once you have to try in your system, automatically you will get to change the desktop picture. Okay. Now children, so changing desktop background we discussed now. Now we will move to the next one is changing window color. How to change our Windows color. Okay, sometimes it is in blue or black or in different colors also. Okay, now window color is the color of taskbar, start menu and borders of an open window. Okay. Figure 2.3 shows the steps to change the window color. So here there are some steps are there. We are going to, by following those steps, we need to change the window color. Okay. Now first one is the same thing. Right click on the desktop. Click on personalizer. If you have mouse, you can click on the right click on desktop. One dialog box will open that. In the last one is personalizer. Suppose those who are using laptops. You just laptop, you have right click is there directly. Okay. If you right click it, this will be open. This dialog box will be open. In that, the last one is personalizer. Just click on that. So after click on personalizer, this window will be open. Same process. However, we did in the changing desktop background. Here also second one open. That will be open windows. Okay. Now this dialog box in this. Second icon, see this here, first icon is changing the desktop background, second one is the personalization window opens, click on the window color, the second one is nothing but window color, you just click on that, immediately the third one, this is will come, this window open that, okay, in that choose a color, whatever color you want, see this here some colors are showing that, so in this they selected after green there is light green they selected. Clear. Now fourth one, click on enable transparency if you want the color to be transparent. What is that? Click on enable transparency if you want the color to be transparent. That is your fourth step. Okay. If you click on that, then automatically fifth one, drag the bar on color instancy. You need to drag the bar on color instancy to make the color lighter or darker. See, in our mobile also, after taking one picture, we need to change the background of picture or color of the picture. We need to drag the bar. Okay, you just whatever the cursor you need to do. You have cursor now, just press and drag that. If you drag to right side, it will color will be changed. If you come to the left side also, color will be changed. See this here, fifth step is very important. drag the bar on color instantly to make the color lighter or darker. Clear? Now, sixth step, here it is dot. See here. This is you have to, and the same window, it will show that here. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Save Changes button. Then automatically your window will be changed. See this here. The color of the taskbar, start menu, and border of an open window changes. See this here only taskbar. See this here. This taskbar only changed. We want to change only. See, we are selected here. We selected only taskbar. Clear? Only we selected taskbar and as well as start menu and borders only. We change these colors. Start menu and taskbar and the border of the window is changed to light green color. These are the 7 steps to change window color. Not only these colors, there are so many colors are there. You can change your window. I hope you understood that how to changing window color. Clear, my dears? So today we discussed Windows 7. Okay, mind mapping. Clear? What are the main concept in window? Okay, and after that subtopics are every main topic, and as well as how to changing the desktop background. There are 7 steps are there, and as well as changing window color is 7 steps are there. You please note down these 7 steps how to change the desktop background and as well as changing window color. You please note down these 7 steps and 7 steps in your rough notes, and after completion of my class you please once try in your system. Okay, automatically it will change. However, we will do in our mobile to change the wallpaper. Okay, whatever the options are there, almost same options in your Windows also. Clear, my dears? However, you can operate your mobile, same you can operate our. Now, children, let us move to the third concept in that Windows background. Okay, so setting screen saver. We are going to move to the third one. Now, see this here. A screensaver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. Clear? See this here. I am showing to my mobile. See, I am showing some my screens. Okay, when we did not operate anything, when we did not touch our screen, after some time it will be closed. In the same way, in our system also, when we did not touch our keyboard or mouse, after some time the screensaver will be appear will not be sometimes. That is a screensaver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. Okay, now how to change a screensaver, how to set settings of screensaver. There are 5 steps are there in this. Okay, the first one is same thing. The first one is right click on the desktop, click on personalize. Now second step is the personalization window. Click on a window will open. So this is the personalization window. In this here it is the screensaver. Okay, click on screensaver. This is click on screensaver, and coming to the third one, choose a screensaver. See, it will be some window will open in that. Whatever you want screensaver, see this here. Here it is a screensaver. You just click on this. Okay. Immediately set the time after which you want the screensaver to start. How much time? It may be 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Sometimes it will be 5 seconds or it may be 1 minute also. Clear? So set the time after which you want the screensaver to start. Now fifth one is click on the OK button. Clear? These are the 5 steps to settings screensaver. Now the moment we touch the keyboard or the mouse, the screensaver disappears. People use screensavers for entertainment or security purpose. Okay, my dears, this is an activity in the lab. When you reopen the school, you will come to school now. There we can we will do this activity in our computer lab. So meanwhile, you please complete how to change background, how to change color of the screensaver, and as well as setting screen saver. These three activities after my class, you please complete that. You have to do, you will get automatically, you can understand easily. See, I'm going to back changing the desktop background. Okay, there are 7 steps are there. Okay, you please note down these 7 steps, and you please try to change your desktop background. Clear? Now next one is changing window color. I told you sorry, changing window color. Here also there are 7 steps are there. You please note down these 7 steps in your classwork or rough notes, and once you have to do practice in your system also. Clear? The third one is setting screensaver. Setting screensaver. Here there are 5 steps are there. You please note down these 5 steps. After today, after class, after 12:30, whenever you will get free time, you please try these 3, how to change desktop and as well as window color, and third one is screensaver. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about gadgets. What are the gadgets are there? What is gadget? What are the different types are there? That we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, my dears. I hope please take care. Take the precautions of COVID-19. Complete your classwork. Complete your homework. Thank you, my dears.